Hi class 9 and 10 students, welcome back to Bimal Sarji YouTube channel. This is question number 4, exercise 1.4 relation and functions, Vedanta Excel in mathematics, class 9 optional mathematics, okay? And don't forget to check the playlist. In the playlist you will get a lot of solutions. Over 3000 videos are uploaded. To make it easy to find you all the solutions, www.bimalstrategy.blogspot.com, this website is created. In that you will get all the chapter wise, okay, index. So now let me start the solution. Here is the question for a. If r is equal to x, a number, okay, solution, this is for a. So here given r is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x by 2 comma x is equal to 2 comma 4 comma 6, okay. This is the relation, okay, this is the given relation. Now with this given relation we have to find the range of okay, range of r relation, okay. So to find the relation range, what we have to do, we have to now write this r as r is equal to, write this in order pair form, okay. So x data, x is given how much here? See, if x is equal to 2, okay, if x is equal to 2 in this either, this is the rough, okay, rough I am going to this rough. This is y is equal to, okay, this is x by 2. So if I put here in place of x, if I take this 2, x is equal to 2, what I will get? 2 divided 2 is equal to 1. I will get y is equal to 1, okay, so this is 1. Now if I take x is equal to 4, okay, this is 4. If I take here 4, in 4, and this is 2 as it is, then this is 4 divided 2 will be how much? 2. So this will be 2. If I take x is equal to 6, then if I take x is equal to here, if I take this 6 and this 2, then this will be how much? 3. So this is the 3. That means y is what? Half of this x. Y is what? Half of x. यो जस्तै कि x 2 छ त्यसको आधा 1, 4 छ x त्यसको आधा 2, 6 छ त्यसको आधा 3 है, यो रिलेसन छ है। अब हामीले योलाई अर्डर पेयरको फर्ममा लेखिसकेपछि अब रेन्ज लेख्न सक्छौं। देयरफोर द रेन्ज अफ r इज इक्वल टु है, रेन्ज भनेको के हो? सेकेन्ड पार्ट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट x 4 6, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज द डोमेन, okay, this is the domain, and range means second part, this is y, okay, y, this 1 2 3, okay. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 is the range. So this is the solution of a number. Now b number solutions. In b number questions, here relation r is given here, r is equal to here x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 3, okay, and x is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, okay. So here this relation we have to write in which form? We have to write in this in ordered pair form. Now here in place of this is, okay, this is 1, x is equal to 1, so put here 1, okay, 1. And what is the y? Then y value, see there in the rough, y is equal to x plus 3. So x value we have taken 1, so 1 plus 3 will be how much? 4. So you can take here 4. Now take x2 here, okay, in other x2. So in place of this x we have to put here 2. So 2 plus 3 will be how much? 5. So okay, 5 you have to take here. And now x is equal to 3, okay. When you take x is equal to 3, and then you have to substitute there here x is equal to 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So what is here our answer? 6. 3 comma 6. So this is our relation in the order pair form. Now we can write, find the range. Therefore range of r is equal to, so range means, okay, second this is 4 5 and 6, 4 comma 5 comma 6. If you have to write the domain, then you have to take 1 2 and 3, okay. So this is the solution. And dear students, if you find any difficulties, then try to comment so that I can come to your problems and I will try to solve all that, okay, problems I will try, okay. And the matter is that, okay, my child, small child, okay, the only son, okay, he is making much more noise and disturbance, okay. Please neglect that things, okay. Because he's the kids, okay, he don't understand anything. So now see you in the next videos, okay. And don't forget to share with your friends, because okay, जब पढ्छ नेपाल त बढ्छ नेपाल भन्ने धारणाले बनाएको भिडियोलाई है साथीहरूलाई सेयर गर्नुहोस् है। आज न भोलि तिनीहरूले 9 10 मा आइसकेपछि यो च्यानलले भरिपूर्ण सल्युसन्सले है हैन भरिपूर्ण हुन्छ, ताकि तपाईलाई जे खोज्नुहुन्छ म्याथसँग रिलेटेड साइन्सले सबै कुरा पाउनुहुन्छ। त्यही भएर अहिले म 9 को टार्गेट गरेको छु। 9 को ओपिडी सकेपछि है कम्पलसरीको पनि छुटे फुटेको सबै म गरिदिन्छु, ओके। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियोज। राधे राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण, बम बम बोले, हर हर महादेव।